Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. On March 8th, 2022, Happy International Women's Day to all my friendki all over our tiny globe. Happy March 8th. Actually, in Bulgaria, we also celebrate officially our Mother's Day. March 8th was always Mother's Day in Bulgaria. I remember when we were small in school, um, a photographer would come and make a little tiny picture, first graders, with some snowdrops, and we would give them to our moms because we celebrated actually Mother's Day on March 8th, not like in Canada when we have, I think, the third Sunday of every May, in May. Oh my God, so emotional. We're celebrating big time in Zoom with a few big organizations that I'm part of, such as Immigrant Women in Business, such as the University of Toronto has a big celebration as well. So all I want to wish you is, they say that our place is, I mean, a woman's place is where she wants to be. Don't lose any time. Don't lose any time. Keep in levitation. I honestly, after I turned 60 in the past 2 years, in this pandemic, I'm not touching the ground. There is no more room for bullshit in my head. I have a filter, and it life became so easy. So easy. When I think of the times when I was in active addiction, if I describe to you one day of my life, I don't think that anybody can want a design like this. I would get up, get drunk, smoke 20 cigarettes, have a lots of Coca-Cola, go gamble, come back, take a nap, repeat. Who wants that? What God wants that? Not only didn't have a higher power, I was at the mercy of multiple lower powers, which were on top of that in competition. I get up in the morning. What do I do first? Oh, let's smoke, let's drink, let's speed. Even that, I don't believe that. Today, my only problem is what color of a wig to put on. I mean, if that's all my struggle, thank God. I don't know where to even start. Look behind. My snow is getting better. And also, I pulled out my Ario Senior. When the pools were open and I used to swim every single day, I think it was so important for me to, somebody asked me, how do you cope? I think for the longest time it was I would swim out every trouble I had. Other people are jogging. People meditate. There is always a way to get out of, to let go of the garbage on a daily basis. But when I used to go to the to the swimming pool, I was talking to Ahi this morning. I would always dedicate at least 10 lengths to him. I would swim for his health. Quite literally, I would convince myself, and as I dedicate this to him, I would swim at least 10 lengths. And then there was this exercise when you have to go underwater without breathing. So it was my conviction that I can actually do this for him. Have a wonderful day. Make a big celebration. This is the second year we're celebrating actually at home, lockdown. But every holiday we went through in the past 2 years doesn't change the commitment and doesn't change the willingness to celebrate big time. And although it's all armchair attendance, it doesn't matter. We communicate. There is always a way to share your joy with the world. Of course, as long as we have the internet. Give it the internet. I will attach another video and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is March 9th.